how to enable or disable Learn from this app in App Store on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to App Store. In App Store, okay, you can see here the Siri and search and allow App Store to access. Okay, you can tap the Siri and search. Here in Siri and search, you can see the Learn from this app. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And the Learn from this app is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable or turn on, allow Siri to learn from how you use App Store to make suggestions across apps. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled Learn from this app in App Store on iPhone X.